In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add taxes on Squarespace, a process that ensures you're accurately collecting the right amount of tax from your customers. Let's get started by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. From the dashboard, your first stop will be the Settings page. This is where you'll find all the controls for your site, including those for managing your business operations. Once in the settings, look for the Selling option. It's here where most of the e-commerce functionalities are housed, including the setup for your store's taxation requirements. Clicking on Selling will present you with several options, and next you'll want to select Taxes. This is where you'll configure the tax details for your digital or physical products. Now that you're in the Taxes section, you'll see an option to Add Rate. Click on it to begin setting up your new tax rate. You'll be prompted to select a country. This is important because tax requirements can vary significantly depending on the country. Choose the country where you're required to collect sales tax from your customers. After choosing the country, you'll click Next. This will take you to a new page where you'll enter specific details about the tax rate. Start by typing in a tax name. This could be something like sales tax or the name specific to the tax you're setting up, which will help you easily identify it later. After naming your tax, you'll need to input the tax rate. This should reflect the percentage you are required to charge. Make sure you're entering the correct rate to comply with the regulations in the selected country. Next, there's a switch button for charging taxes on services and digital products. This is crucial if you're selling non-physical goods. Turning this option on means that any service or digital product you sell online will have the tax applied according to the rate you've just set. Similarly, there's an option to charge taxes on shipping. Activate this switch if your country's tax regulations mandate that shipping fees are also taxable. Including shipping in your taxable sales can ensure you're fully compliant with local tax laws. Finally, once you've input all the relevant information and made your selections, it's time to save your changes. Click on the Save button, which will ensure all your settings are applied successfully. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have set up your tax rates effectively on Squarespace, ensuring you're meeting all your tax obligations accurately. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more helpful Squarespace tutorials.